right here. So that that type of risk factors are involved to illegal abortions as well as providing more healthcare facilities could reverse the mentioned unhealthy trend. It is all unhealthy trend, and obviously reproductive healthy society is not maintained. The MTP of Pregnancy Amendment Act 2017 given by the Government of India, proposed by Government of India, reducing the incidence of illegal abortion and consequent maternal mortality and morbidity, death rate of maternal mother and morbidity, disease to the mother. And when the pregnancy amendment means MTP amendment act given by the Government of India in the 2017 year, so what is the motto? Reducing the incidence of illegal abortions. So reducing the incidence of illegal abortions and consequent maternal mortality and morbidity rate also. And according to this act, so what are the points according in act, what points are proposed? A pregnancy may be terminated on certain considered grounds, parameters, certain factors within the first 12 weeks of pregnancy on the opinion of one registered medical practitioner. Before the 12 weeks of pregnancy, how many medical practitioner opinion is required? Only one, right? And if the pregnancy has lasted more than 12 weeks but fewer than 24 weeks, so before second trimester and after the 12th trimester, after the first trimester, how many medical practitioners opinion is required? There is two medical registered medical practitioners opinion is required. So formed in good faith, that is required in ground existed. So what are the grounds, what are the parameters, in what cases the medical practitioner is given permission to the MTP, right? So here the grounds for such termination of pregnancy are the continuation of the pregnancy would involve a risk to the life of pregnant woman or grave injury, physical or mental health. That is most important. A risk to the life of the pregnant woman. In that cases only the MTPC is compulsory required. The continuation of the pregnancy. Suppose in case pregnancy should be continuous by the fetus, there is a chances of risk to the mother. There is a chances life risk to the mother. Compulsory MTP is required. That is only given. The continuation of pregnancy would involve a risk to the life of the pregnant woman or grave injury, the deep injury or physical or mental health also. So compulsory in that cases MTP is required. And there is a substantial risk that of the child were born, it would suffer from such physical or mental abnormalities as be seriously handicapped. Obviously in case it is should be that is continued, pregnancy is continued, the problem identified but also pregnancy is continued, then what happens? Whenever the child born, it would suffer from such physical or mental abnormalities obviously as to be seriously handicapped. So that only whenever at the time of fetus stage, the fetus is suffering with some of the disease, so there is a chance for harmful to the fetus or mother or both, the MTPs are compulsory required. That is one reason. And in what case MTP is required? In case in emergency condition, rapes or unprotected sex, in that time also MTP is required. But MTPs, the people should undergo MTPs under the complete permission of complete permission of whom? Complete permission of it's legalized, complete permission of Government of India, medical registered medical practitioners only. Up to this clear all of you, right? So go through the NCERT lines and video class also. Just I want to show the MTP diagram, how the MTPs are takes place, right? So this is the procedure of MTP. So MTP procedure, the people are undergoes MTP procedure is two different types. One is directly by the minor surgery, and the second one is by the medicine also. Giving by the medicine also, the fetus is dissolves, and second one there is a surgery procedure. By the surgical procedure, the developing fetus is going to be removed in the process of MTPs, right? Up to this clear, these are the different types of the steps. Okay, This is regarding about MTP. In next class we are going to discuss about there is STDs. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.